Today, what we have to focus on is solving the customer's problems. And those problems are really threefold for every customer. How do I control my costs? How do I drive more revenue? And how do I improve my customer experience so that I can remain competitive?
We make small and medium-sized businesses more powerful because we bring these partners, ourselves, and our customers together to solve these business needs.
Interceptor was born from a family tragedy. I had an uncle killed by a drunk driver when he was only 16 years old. And one of my father's biggest wishes was to have someone invent a device that would eventually stop drunk driving.
This device virtually guarantees that a person won't be behind the wheel driving under the influence.
This is bigger than seatbelts because some people don't wear seatbelts. This you have to use to start the vehicle.
The device works very simply. Once a driver enters the vehicle, he turns the key to the on position. He'll get a voice prompt that'll say, please provide a sample. At that time, the driver blows into the device. If it says you may start the vehicle, the driver simply turns the key to the ignition and drives away. At that particular second, there's an internal timer, clock that's started in the device that will give him a random rolling retest within the next 25 minutes. And he will get that retest every hour of operation. In the event of a rolling retest failure, if the breath sample is over a specific limit, we also send an emergency call to the 911 center. Also, along with that is a GPS location which is live. We issue a code and a number to the probation or 911 center. At that point, the dispatcher can alert a police car to intercept that vehicle at a choice of their location.
With this product, if somebody blows and they do fail, it's very important to have a police officer respond immediately to the 911 call. If other vendors that really didn't have the coverage that Verizon had, they wouldn't get that instantaneous failure and that 911 call, and it would be delayed. And I mean, in this business, every second counts.
Some of the challenges that Interceptor presented to us from the start was machine-to-machine pricing they were receiving from their current carrier. In addition to the pricing was also account management, as well as device management and network coverage.
The best part about it was when John had said that they were very competitive price-wise, and as far as their coverage, nobody compares to them. I said, I think that would be a great move.
One of the most important things was transmission of the data. The amount of data they allow us to transmit per telephone number was far superior than the other vendors we had been using. Also, the ability to turn on and off phone numbers right from our computers was a great selling point. It was at our control and we didn't have to pay for a number that we weren't using.
With the self-management services that Interceptor now has with Enphase's machine-to-machine management center, Interceptor alone can turn on and turn off devices as they need to.
Working with Verizon Wireless will definitely enable us to grow faster. As we enter these other markets, the ability to have any numbers at our disposal with the amount of data we can transmit will greatly help us. Verizon has been a great partner in this regard.
The return on investment is working out very well for us. Of course, every time you diminish your costs and you get a bigger return on your investment, it's always a very good thing. And Verizon helped us achieve that right off the bat.
With the teamwork between Interceptor and Verizon Wireless, and the two of them working together and having the Interceptor in these vehicles, ultimately it's going to save lives and stop drunk driving.
Interceptor is a great example where Verizon Wireless, our partners, and the customer have come together to create an innovative solution to a business challenge.